Good morning. How are you doing? Oof, what a weekend. Very happy to get back into this. Now, where are my audio controls? There they are. Let me know if the music's too loud. I'll be happy to adjust. We're going to keep it calm this morning. Calm until someone riles me up. Usually, that's how it goes. I stay nice and calm until someone shows up in chat and they rile me up. Actually, I look forward to that. So, bring it. Alright, today we're going to continue implementing all of the nice assets that we downloaded. They look great. Let me bring up my start menu. The problem right now I'm having is all of the shirts kind of look the same because right now I only support one color for the entire thing. So what I need to do is I need to figure out how to insert multiple colors, like an accent color, into my character customization system. And right now, I know of a way I could do it, but then the alternate color can only be the same color for everything. But I don't want that. Maybe I want you to be able to choose your accent color. So let's work on that today. First, let's take a little inventory as to where we left off. So, new game. Alright, so this was basically all the old stuff, which is still the default stuff. So let's look at all the new hair. So the new hair should be on the bottom. Okay, here's where the new hair starts. So, it's cool. That one kind of fits into the rest. I don't see any difference. But this one is particularly detailed, and I think it looks nice. This one as well. This one is cool. It's fine. I like this one as well. Let's keep going. All right, yeah. This one fits the old style well. This one's great. I hope people choose this one. Looks good. I'm also just checking the fit, making sure there's no weird errors. Yeah, this one's great. I don't know what to say about this one. This one is bald, which is strange because I thought the bald one was something else. I should check up on that. It looks actually, oh, okay, so one of these, the little nub sticking out. Oh, because, so the first male hair is baldness. That's correct. So these are all the female hairs, the new female hairs. And when I say female, I just really mean leaning feminine. You know, we're gonna be gender neutral in this game. Nothing says male or female. You know, you are whoever you want to be. Okay, let's look at the new male hair. So these are the new shorter hairs. Not even that. Which one? This one. I mean, 99% of the time, if you look like this, you're a guy. But I've seen women that look like this before. Okay, so the new male hairs. Also, good morning, ZT. Tuna. New male hairs look good. They look fine. Honestly, I thought they'd stick out. I thought these new hairs would stick out from the old hairs, and it's really just because in Maya, the shaders were like well thought out. But once you put the same shader on everything, they cannot fit together. So wait, I got two mohawks? I don't want 2 mohawks. Let's fix that. And I did notice there was a problem with this horseshoe balding pattern. It's there's a hole in the back, so there's two hairs with problems. Otherwise, everything's cool. So that's all good. I didn't implement any of the new mustaches because whatever, they all look the same. I need new eyes. These eyes are all like 5% different from each other. I need eyes that are like different. I think I like the shader a lot. I think there's like a shininess to it. The color maybe can pop a little more, but I like the shader. But I need different shapes. These are all the same. And I need new colors. These 3 colors are all like super dark and whatever. They were supposed to be way different than that. I'll fix that. All right, then all the new glasses. I did not, so I made slots for them, but I didn't assign them. That's why they're all just repeating. So I gotta fix that. And then the shirts. Okay, so new shirts. This is the best part. Oh my god. So we got a hoodie. Actually, let's just make me. Let's just make me. What are the most tired eyes? Probably this one. I got tired eyes now. Can't forget the beard. And the glasses. Oh, right. And I'm not blonde. But I'm pretty damn white. Alright, so let's see. That's pretty close. Wait, it's gotta be red. Because the shirt behind me. Oh, okay, that's the problem. When I go back, it switches, it doesn't do the right color. Interesting. So here's all the new shirts, which are great. I love the hoodies. Oh my god, the oversized hoodies are the best. Damn. All right. Let's see. Let's continue. Where's the rest of the riffraff? It's too early for them. It's not even 7 a.m. I started like 20 minutes early today. They don't show up until 9. Well, right, 9 o'clock Eastern. It's 6:45 right now, a.m. for me. I was up at 5:30 and I was just like, you know what? F it, I'll just get out of bed. I'll just start. It's 9. Oh, right. I'm sorry. They don't show up till 10. Also, I actually didn't tell them. Usually I tell them every day. I did not tell them. I was just popped open our text messages. So, fun fact about Curdy Bear, who's always here. Curdy Bear is an excellent bowler. And he's never gotten a 300 before, but he's bowled like an almost perfect game at least a dozen times where one frame is off. And I was with him. It was just me and him on a lane, and he got a 299. And his last bowl was a 9, and it was devastating. I have it on camera. Maybe I'll bring that up later. Lazy. Yeah, they are lazy. They should wake up earlier. Yeah, get in here, guys. What's a no-tap tourney? Okay, I need to update the colors for pants and shirts. I need better colors. And maybe I just make them all the same. Maybe I make textures, I don't know. 9 pins equals strike. That is not pure. That is not the pure sport. I went bowling with my company 2 weeks ago, and I have my own ball. I used to love bowling. I'm nowhere near as good as Kurt. I got like a 124. That was the best I could do. It was the first time bowling in 5 years. You worked at a bowling alley for 6 months? Oh, honestly, that was like my dream job as a teenager. I just wanted to work at a bowling alley and bowl all day. A bowling center. That's very Canadian. Center. I always pronounce those spellings as centre. Because alley has negative connotations. I mean, yeah, super negative. It's awesome. Let's pop open Maya. Let's get to work. Oh, this was America. You from America? Or did you just live here temporarily? Grew up there. How do you like it? Will you ever move back? Or is it the kind of perma place? What was I doing? Oh, right. So the shaders I need to do in the rig. But I want to implement the classes now. I don't really see why I would. The only states I liked have big problems now. We have water. Ooh. Tell us which states you liked. I mean, there's problems with every state. There's problems with every place ever. If anywhere was a utopia, everyone would move there, and then it would immediately have problems. So, it's like humans keep everything in balance. We're good at that. This is why we can't have nice things. A few blocks in Detroit once. Is it still like dirt cheap? It's funny how places can be so cheap and people still don't want it. Like, there's a reason property values vary. Because there is a desirability factor. And, you know, I see all over Instagram now, ever since I started this whole process of moving to Japan, and they're just like, hey, look, you can buy a house, a full-on house in the countryside for 10, 15, 20,000 yen, which, sorry, not 20,000 yen, $20,000, which, you know, you get a mortgage for that. What is your payment, like $50 a month? which is pennies. But you still don't want it because there's a reason why it's that cheap. You have to basically knock it down, build a new one. And do you really want to do that? And I learned that the reason why property values are so cheap is because usually these neighborhoods have like a population of 100 people and they're in tsunami zones and nobody wants to live there. Okay, all the glasses should be back. Let's see. House value was listed as $2,000. Was it like a big ass farm on big ass land? It's amazing. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay, so the shaders are there, but they're kind of ugly. Like, I'll take 40, yeah. So where my wife grew up, her very good friend was like, hey, you should buy this plot of land next to our house. It's like, you know, $60,000-$70,000. With the mortgage, you know, that's very affordable on a monthly basis. But you have to build a structure. It had no structures, it had no utilities. So after that, all right, it's maybe like $200,000, $250,000 all said. Which, I don't know, it's like, I mean, if we had our LA salaries, yeah, it'd be super convenient, but then you'd have to live out in the middle of nowhere, Connecticut. And we didn't want that. All right, so the glasses are all there. The shaders are a little limp. So let me, I think I need to, yeah, I need to pull them out of, oh, wait, I did pull them out. Why are they all so lame? The colors are just really drab. They're metallic. Transparent. Character props. Are the okay, so the glasses are still here. Let me export those. Extract. Okay, that's why. They're just kind of dark gray. Oh, hello. Why are you missing? Did I just ruin everything? Just on a few. That's annoying. Maybe. Oh, you think this will work? Probably not. This ain't gonna work. So glasses matte. Glasses matte. I can't apply it. Why can't I apply it? Ah, that's unfortunate. I'm gonna have to reassign these. That was a mistake. Wait, I just assigned it. Why? Update. There you go. Okay, so now, are those the only ones? Alright. So now let's actually change the material so that it looks better. So black, I want it shiny. And yeah. Okay. It's extremely reflective on the incidence, and I don't think I want that. I think I want to remove environment reflections. Yeah. Okay, that looks better. Okay, let's get back into Maya. Let's figure out what I can do about these shirt colors. All right, so here we go. Let's hide all these controls. Hide the rig. Hide the rig. Hide the skeleton. Okay. So now, currently there's a shader with a texture on them, but I need to make it so that this fits into my system, my character customization system, which relies on being able to swap the main shader. But I could leave an alternate shader untouched. So I have this. So let's say I take this sweater, and it looks like they're textured based on the UVs here. So the UVs, oh my god, they're so tiny. Let's see, can I? They're so tiny. But you can see them scattered around. Actually, I don't know if you can see them, but you can see them scattered around the UV map. And there's basically like one chunk that I actually want to change. Oh, hungry. I love how my stomach talks to me while I stream. It says, hey, go eat breakfast. No, not yet. It's too early. Ideally, I kind of want the accent color to change. Like for shirts, I just want to nudge the UVs over. Like, I just want to go, there's a green shirt, there's a blue shirt. Or actually, green, blue, darker blue. Like, these are all great colors. Maybe for shirts, it's like a UV offset. Like, that's the property I customize. Or maybe I just have 7 different shaders that I swap between. Like a shirt, the shirts get 7 textures. And it's basically like, I just leave the UVs where they are, and then I move this row of colors. I could do that. That's actually the easiest thing I can do right now, is just straight up use this texture. And I actually want to accentuate it even more. So I want like these sleeves to be even lighter. I'm gonna exaggerate things. Nah, I actually like the yellow. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do for now. Basically, every shirt shader is going to be different. And it's just going to be a bunch of textures. And now if I select all of these, I'm assuming all of their materials, yeah. So all the materials are like in this row, and then some are in the gray row for gray things. All I got to do is, I can make a very small texture that Let's see. So this is at 1.9.8. So at 0.75, the left is going to be the yellow gradient. The right is going to be the grayscale gradient, and I'm just going to swap the colors, save it however many times I want colors. Bam. Then I'll be able to keep all of my like accent colors. This doesn't allow for like custom accent color yet. Do I want to go for the gold? So this is like a nudge in the right direction. Do I want to just go for the gold and add an accent color customization option? It wouldn't even be that hard. Basically just select all these faces right here. And then... yeah, I know. Well, sometimes the riffraff helps me decide. You're part of the riffraff now. Don't think you can get away with not being part of the riffraff. You're in there. I've seen you join the pylons. All I gotta do is assign this a new texture. It's not that hard. It's like, I just might spend an hour doing it, which is fine. You know what? I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to set the precedent that like there's that much customization. I just want enough customization to feel like you can make something unique, but I don't want you to be able to straight up paint everything whatever color you want. Because this ain't Animal Crossing. I'm not adding like a feature where you can pixel paint your own pathways and stuff. Like, I can't do that. I'm just one guy. So that being said, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do the system where I just have different textures. They're going to be small and easy to load. They won't be big. And I'm going to start with this one. And I basically need to so I just need to grab this row, make it 75% of the texture, and then take every other row and make different versions. Okay. I'm so slow in Photoshop. It's painful to watch, I'm sure. Wait, did I just do teal? I think so. Okay. So now I don't need this texture to be so big. It is huge. Oh my god, it's like 4K. And this is just a solid color, right? There's no gradient. Yeah. This does not need to be this big. Let's start by making it much smaller. Image size. Yeah. Oh, 1024. All right, it's not that big. I forgot. Normally when I'm on my laptop, it's like a retina display, so anything that big is like, well, this is a 4K image, but when I'm streaming, I use my little HD monitor. It's so cute. 256. I won't go that small. Does not need to be that big. Even 256 is probably too big. Alright. So 75% gray. Is there a button that just stretches this to the entire canvas width? We'll never know. Because I'm not going to look it up. Just going to do this manually. Photoshop 7. That's a long time ago. It's come a long way. The new AI features are implemented in the official release, but I have not downloaded it yet. I will eventually. Okay, that's all of them, and then I want a duplicate of the gray one that is full length. Okay, and then, so I'll just save each one of these out, make new shaders with these, and then we're good to go. So let's call this output. I have clothing, spreadsheets. I'll just make a new folder here, keep it organized. New folder. Clothing. Let's call it actually color atlases. So I'll save these as PNGs. And this is Atlas Gray. Which spelling do they use in Canada? AY or EY? I actually don't know. There's like one that's predominantly like British and one that's predominantly like North American, but I actually don't remember which one's which. Oh. I wonder if people work on their textures directly in Unity. I work on everything outside of Unity and then I import it in once it's done. It's probably way easier to just work on it within Unity. So what color is this? It is red. Atlas. What color is this? It's like purple mauve? I don't even know. I'll say purple. Nope, there is another purple one. I guess it's pink. What's all this bowling talk I see above? Hell yeah, I was showing off your scores and I was talking about you a lot. You're an incredible bowler, Kurt. I hope you get that elusive 300 very soon, because you deserve it. Wait, this one's kind of blue. This one's really blue. My color space... Oh, my color space is all messed up. On one monitor, it looks very purple. On this one, it looks kind of blue. And this one, it looks very purple. I'm gonna go with purple. I think this monitor in front of me is a little funky. Which is funny, because it's like a crazy expensive color calibrated monitor that my wife works on. I guess it's Rec 709. That's right. It's a Rec 709 monitor, and these other monitors are sRGB. These ads. Sorry, Mike. Mike, don't you have Amazon Prime? You can just use a Prime sub to get rid of the ads. Give me your sub. Just link this to your Amazon Prime, and then you get a free sub. Kurt, can you help him? Also, good morning. Good morning, Mike, and good morning, Kurt. I know. Mike's like, he needs his handheld. Actually, when I started Twitch, I needed my handheld. And I still need my handheld. Like, you'll see, half the time something happens, I'll just go, what is happening? It was a miracle that I was able to, like, do this stuff. Teal? Turquoise. Oh, I know that's green. Can't fool me. I know you're green. Trying to pull one over on me. You're green, baby. Ugh, can you come to California so we can go bowling before I move? What color is this? It's like ice blue. Atlas ice. Cool gray. Should I have a warm gray? Might as well, right? It looks the same as brown. Forget it. Why don't you come here? Well, I'm not going to bring my ball to New York. Also, I am going to come to New York soon. Gotta say goodbye. Gotta say goodbye to you guys. My family. I'm not going for very long. It's okay. You guys are going to come visit me, right? Yeah. No, this is going to be a specific trip to say farewell. For now. All right, we got all of our textures. Let's bring them into Unity. What's the last American meal you'll have? That's a good question. I might have a bagel. So when I went out to dinner with Amanda's new coworkers, I asked them, I'm like, am I gonna be able to find a good bagel in Tokyo? And they were like, ooh, that's a good question. I have had one, but it was far. So they're like, we're gonna get the whole company searching for a good bagel for you. If I drag and drop into Unity, it doesn't move it. Okay, just copies. Great. Okay, so I'm gonna make shaders out of all of these, and then shirt colors will be done. Wait, she already has a new job there? It's not official yet, but it's close. It's very close. I think it's... Where are they? Oh, it's these. Okay. So I already have materials. And all I gotta do is set all these to white. And then assign Atlas. Okay. Oh, what did I just do? Gray, orange. Orange. Pink. Purple. Red. Oop, we need two more. Turquoise. And finally, yellow. Okay. We need two more here. 10. 11. Great. Okay. New shirt colors. How you guys doing, by the way? Kurt, you need to join Entropic temporarily just to do this job, since we're referencing your spot. Alright, let's test that. Ooh, it's cold in here. You guys cold? Whoops. Alright, so the original shirt doesn't quite work, but let's equip the hoodie. There we go. Okay, love the accent colors. Beautiful. Okay, so one of the problems is in the character customization, it doesn't keep this shader assigned. Why doesn't it assign the shader? But the alternating color is great. He never got off LI time, so he's sleeping till 12:30. Oh. He's up. I already saw him rustling. Okay. So I need to fix that bug. Also, these flowers got really dingy. Flower red? How did they get so dingy? That's better. Oh, that's fall. That's the fall flowers. Oh. You know what? I'm not gonna not gonna change it that much. It's a little different. Okay. Alright, now what? Now I just want to fix that bug. Why don't, when you switch back to changing the shirt, why doesn't it stay? And I think I need to just remove the original, the OG shirt. The OG shirt is no more. Shirt 00. I don't want you to be included anymore. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to take out, I'm going to make shirt 17 the new shirt 00. Oh, I can't view it. That's right. So skinned meshes are a pain in the ass to us, like, they're a pain in the ass to basically view outside of the game, because the only way to hook them up and have them visible is through a line of code. And the, what's it called? The, like the, you have to assign it the skeleton. So if the skeleton's not in the scene and I don't, I don't assign it through code, I can't view it, which is really dumb. What is Nick? Who's dev? Nick the Nini. How are you? What do you mean who's dev? 17. I do not want this to be the default shirt. I just want the most regular ass shirt to be the default shirt. Nope. Which is not you. It's not any of you. It's not any of you. It's not the suit. It's not the sweater. It's not the suit. Is it a collared shirt? No. Okay, it might be this one. 13? No. Is it you? Okay. You're the default shirt now. Shirt 8. So let's make shirt 8 default shirt. Shirt 8. And then I'll take shirt 8 and make it, I guess I'll delete it. You don't want shirt 8 anymore. Prop shirt 8. It's missing because it's gone. Oh wait, yeah, it's missing because it's gone. And it's gone for good. There. So now I don't use the original shirt anymore. Is it just me, or is there something fuzzy about the audio? Is it just you? Is this better? There's a fuzz? Oh no. What happens if I pause the music? Does the fuzz go away? The music is peaking. Oh, I didn't know that. You guys gotta tell me these things. Is that better? Is that better? A little fuzz hurt everyone. Kidding me? Yeah. Yeah, do you want your own music? All right, perfect. Look at that shirt. Look at that shirt. There are some weird weighting issues. I can see vertices just like poking out. But I can live with that for now. Default shirt. All right, that's great. So it's funny because that actually keeps the right color. No, that's, if I select this cool gray and I go back, it has cool gray. But then once I switch it, it has yellow again. So let's see why. First things first. Character creation. So when I select, I trigger the equip and the prop. Follow the breadcrumb trail. This listens for that, and we attach it. And if it's a prefab prop, we go here, and then there's our problem. So we need to set material, shirt, mesh, char def dot shirt material prop. Fixed. Is music too low now? I don't even hear it. Okay, that should be good. Although, why was the default color? The default color is blue. That's okay. Blue jeans and blue shirt. It's not a great default color. But now if I make this red and I go back, they're all red. Okay. Okay. I dig it. All right, what's next? Also, Nick, good morning. Welcome in. It's good to see you. How did the glasses materials work out? So they're all still very dark, but I like these new. Okay, I like the black shiny. Now I can actually make me because I got these guys. Boom, boom. But they're a little dreary and dingy, and will you stay selected? There we go. IT happy prop asset main, and now let's see why. It looks like it's the texture. Metallic. What if I remove environment reflections? Nope, that makes it darker. Do I want it metallic or do I want it specular? Specular map. So if I make the specular map the IT happy texture, that helps. And then the smoothness I set to something high, so it's got like a nice shiny quality like the other ones. All right, that's way better. This is way more vibrant. This is still dingy though. It's still a little dingy. It's almost like I also want emission. And I want to also make the emission map just ever so slightly. Yeah. Because this whole character is basically made up of self-illumination. And now they look great. No, they're not dingy anymore. Yeah, these are great. I love them. Okay. These are sick. It's cute. Let's make me again. So I'm wearing I'm wearing a gray shirt. But let's pretend I'm wearing the hoodie behind me. Alright, that's me. Does that look exactly like me? Let me put this hoodie on. This looks exactly like me. Alright, let's do it. That was painful. Bam. What do you think? How do I... Let's bring it... Can I bring him closer to me? Make him bigger? Yeah, I always like to give them a little kiss. Mm. No, that was the dog. She's rustling. Hi. We did it. I think I like the way these characters are now. Ooh. It's a little messed up on the wrist. It's okay. Do I want to add the pants? There was some cuffs. There were... Alright, I can model that and just add that in. I'm not sure. I don't think I care about the pants right now. This is enough. Yeah, the dog is rustling. Sorry. I was gonna set up the dog cam, but I have to upgrade my OS to access a new feature called continuity camera, which allows me to use my phone as like a webcam. But I don't want to update my OS just yet. What are the Baldur's Gates options that you're talking about? These characters, I think these are pretty good. So I want to find new eyes. Like, I'm okay with these eyes. I like them because I made them. You know, it's not from a pack. I feel like I'm slowly replacing stuff that is temp and stuff that I made with nice stuff from asset packs, and I would like to keep that part of it, me, but you know, I'm just not good at like variety. So I might do a quick search on just character eyes. You think if I just search eyes, I'll find some? Cartoon eyes. Quick look. So these are a little ridiculous. Let's see. Nah, these are not better than mine. These are not as good. Eye icons. Nope, I want actual eyes. A lot of eyeballs. How about we do faces? Maybe there's a face pack. Low poly fruit pack with faces. That's great. Cute series. So I actually have this pack. This is where I got all the hair. Oh, I don't have this particular one. So this is facial expressions, but I don't like them. I want to keep like the iris, pupil all intact. I don't want to just have like a black dot. Let's do face pack and see what we come up with. It's funny, I might just want this fruit face pack just for the faces. Like these are really nice expressive faces. They all look like cats. They all have that like I don't know. I forget what these are called. Jowl, well, not jowl, but like lip. Cow lips. Cat lips. Wait a minute, what? These are all the glasses that I'm using. But they're in a different pack. That's... Uh-oh. Either someone stole them from someone else, or... I don't know. I bought them fair and square. Okay, I'm not seeing anything good here. A lot of weird stuff. I'm pretty sure people are purchasing other people's assets and reselling them. All right. One day we'll redesign some eyes, or maybe I'll hire someone. Maybe I'll hire someone to just work on some character customization stuff. Oops. Okay, let's move on. There's some bugs I wanted to fix. Some bugs regarding guest groups. I know how much you guys like guest groups. We're getting back into it. So I've been working a lot on like what is the reward for a successful guest group? And what I ended up doing is factoring in the group success rate increases the bonus experience you get. And it's all hooked up. I got the UI going. So let's get that in a better place and improve upon it, because what I want is I just need to rearrange the UI a little bit and make it more clear, because it's a little unclear at the moment. So let's get a guest group to join us. Look at that. Looks good. I did want to experiment with reintroducing some of the diffuse qualities, because right now it's like emissive, and it has a rim light, and it has like a fake, it's got a fake indication of light direction, just based on the sun. And I thought maybe I'd play with reintroducing like some diffusion. Wait, what? It's spring. Keep it spring. All right, everyone's beds are made. So I'm still playing with the Dungeons and Dragons group, and they have 2 required activities. They have role-playing at a role-playing table, and they have bathtub. So I just temporarily made their second requirement, you know, being able to take a bath. And it's a 100% success if all 4 NPCs show up and successfully do both activities at least once in their entire stay. So I'll fast forward. They'll all get up and run and take a bath. So now that I have this new clothing system, it actually wouldn't be that hard to temporarily change them to like a bathing suit when they're in the bathtub and hot tub and stuff like that. So that's good. All right, they're all finishing with their bath. They're gonna run around, do some archery, play with the dog. There is a bug where the dog moves around while they're running toward it, and yeah, the dog's AI is a little funky. The dog's supposed to stop when someone like registers, like, hey, I'm gonna come pet you. The dog should just sit down and wait. But the dog just keeps going. Where's this last person? Stop doing archery, go to bed. Is he gonna make it? He's got 10 minutes. Get in bed. He did it. Okay. Alright, so they're gonna do it all again. They're gonna wake up, go role play outside in the rain, which they do not mind because they're wearing wizard hats. I'm gonna just fast forward through the day, and I just want to make sure the UI is working at the end. I don't even remember where I left off. Let's make their beds. Okay, everyone's got made beds. They're gonna go to bed soon. Oh no, don't do archery this late at night. No, don't do archery this late at night. What are you, crazy? Go to bed. Alright. So, here it is, the roundup. They've completed their stay. Everybody's leaving tomorrow. Oh, I do want to add a summary here. Oh, maybe this is where I add, like, okay. I gotta add this stuff to the summary. Forgot about that. Let's put it on the to-do list. Add to the guest summary page. Okay. So first we do everyone's individual roundup. And then let's fast forward through this. Okay. One more. And now this is like the full page. So we animate all these totals, the group activity success, boom, ×3. So we get a ×3 bonus, and then 537 joy. This is the original joy. I mean, these also, the verbiage is pretty bad, like just calling it joy. But yeah, this is a little unclear what's going on. So total profit is, it's just like adding up how much money you made from them. So you made 48. Should this bonus joy also apply to profit arbitrarily? Like, should you get bonus money as well? Why not? Yeah, why not? Of course you should. So let's do that too. All right. So that all worked. I had a bug last time. That was what I was going to test. I had a bug where if not everyone checked in, it just failed. So let's try it before we add all that other stuff we just said. I'm just going to confirm that that bug still exists. I thought I fixed it. I added some code, but I never tested it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let one person go home. So you get a room. You get a room. You get a room. Clay, you're out. You don't get a room. Sorry, Clay. Okay, so Clay left, and they all immediately went to the table because they were waiting for everyone to show up. And Clay was despawned. Therefore, oh wait, Clay is still there. Wait a minute. What are you doing? Wait, Meadow. What? Wait, who's playing? Mary, Hollis, Clay. Wait a minute. Clay, I did not check you in. You cannot roleplay right now. What are you doing? That's never happened before. I've never seen a guest do activities when they've been despawned. Okay. And why did that happen? I think it's because when I add them to the group before they even get checked in. So I need to only add them to the group when they get checked in. Honestly, I have no idea the order of things that happened for that to occur, but we're gonna find it. So let's close the character customization stuff. Let's close all that UI stuff. So start tier, guest summary, end of day menu manager, animated XP bar. Okay, we need the schedule system. We don't need UI. We do not need NPC properties, character customization, display, panel. Okay, and tally. Great. So let's hunt down that bug. So when a guest arrives, I register them. No, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. I only want to register them when they get checked in. So let's see, how do they get checked in? Activity complete. Checking in. So check in action. We unregister the current event. We see if we got checked in or not. If we didn't, we leave. And if we did, we throw the room checked in event. And the schedule listens for. No, we don't listen for room checked in. We ignore that. So it is a guest state event. If e dot, so I could just listen for it and register it here. Perfect. Oh, event systems. I love events. Checking in, wait. Is it a guest state? No, it's a guest event. It's not a state. That's why. I mean, I should know here if I successfully checked them in. Because, let's see. All right, so I don't remember exactly how they get checked in. Check in. Check in action. So what happens before this? Go to room? What happens before? Oh, okay. So go to room. This one I can do. So if we change to go to room, that means we were successfully checked in and we can register. Great. That I can listen for without adding too much code. Go to room. Go to room. If so, here if we're checked in, then we register the bedroom to the guest, and we set the activity. Okay, here's where we should do it. Move that here, and that bug is gone. Great. Okay, yeah, that was a poor judgment as to where to put that. You can't control Clay. He's a wild man. He is a wild man. Can't control any of these guests. All right, so now... So it's interesting also that it only registered 3 guests. So it knew, like, hey, someone wasn't checked in. Let's ignore that amount of people. But then the person that got left out was someone who was actually checked in, which is it's unusual. I'm surprised that happened. It just must have been an order of operations problem. But let's test it again. I think that should be fixed. You get a room. And you get a room. Meadow. You get a room. Clay. Clay. You're out of here. Get out of here, Clay. So, I'm going to follow him. He's going to leave. They are going to immediately, upon him leaving, go to the table. So he should be gone now. Despawned. What's up? What's up with that? What are they doing? They're like stuck in a loop. What loop are they? So now I'm curious. I wonder if they are constantly checking and it's failing, or it's just not checking anymore. So they are in... what state are they in? Debug. They're in looking for group activity state. I don't think... so I think when they're in the looking for group activity state, it happens only once. Let's actually see. I have an update here that happens periodically. No, I don't have an update on tick. Time tick event. Ooh, okay. So yeah, what happens is essentially nothing. They just sit there and wait. I have a feeling that if someone despawned and then someone got checked in, it would trigger to work. But right now, there's no one to trigger that last success. So I guess what I need to do is fire that event periodically, and maybe when someone gets despawned, I check the whole group. I check all the groups to see if they're good to go. All right, let's. So how does it actually calculate next activity state? This is called 13 times. Delayed get activity. So I wait a second and then I calculate. Okay, so this is the thing. If there's nothing to do, this happens every 1 second, which is not the greatest thing. Delay activity. So this happens when I set idle. This happens when I'm waiting to be checked in. This happens. Okay. So that's the problem. We're not idle. We're actually, we're in a different state. We're in like a waiting for everyone to be ready state. So I need to account for that. Called by the in when there are no available activities. So what I can do is instead of making them wait, I set them to idle, and that'll do it? That'll do, pig? Let's try that. Register idle activity. Yeah. So here's where I register this group guests. And so it looks like I'm just bopping out if I fail. No, it looks like I'm bopping out if I succeed. If I completely fail, then I get here. We only get here if we fail every single activity check. Okay. Which, so this will put them in a state of idleness. It'll make them run around randomly. And it'll have them check with the scheduler every 1 second. Hey, are you ready for me yet? Are you ready for me? Can I do something? But the only thing I need to do to fix this is if we've completed and we succeed to do these, schedule guest activities, find restaurants. This is strange. This should not be void. Oh, because this is not the inn doing it. That's totally fine. Okay. All right, so let's see if that fixes it. I think it would. So it's going to add a little bit of complexity. Instead of just waiting in their rooms until the activity is ready, they're going to be running around. But it's only going to wait one second for them to check again. So they shouldn't be that misaligned in their times. Because if they sit down, right now, if they sit down, a 5-hour counter starts from when they sit down. And if they sit down in different intervals, they get up in different intervals. Which is okay. It's a little more natural. You don't want them just all getting up at the same time and running around. So I'm actually okay with that. It's more about like if someone's sitting next to the table and someone's like on the other side of the property, it could take them like an hour to run across. So that's a little messed up, but let's just deal with it for now. I can deal with that for now. All right, so I've been very mean to Clay. I've not checked Clay in. Maybe I'll... No, actually, Clay... The whole bug came about because the last person isn't getting checked in, which I guess I need to keep doing that. Okay. Sorry, Clay. All right, so now, okay, they're all going to run around randomly. Clay's leaving. The second Clay leaves, please come and role play. No, they're just running around like freaks. I think it's because. So why aren't they going to role play? Let's pause it. It's possible that they think they already did. Nope. Is it marked completed by accident? Nope. Okay. So, let's see. Let's see why. Calculate wake up time. Calculate idle activity. I want idle. Set idle activity. This is what we're doing, which sets them to wander randomly. And then delayed activity. We start this coroutine, delayed activity. We wait a second. We check if they're checked in. If they are. If they are not, we check them in. If they are, we calculate the next activity state. Okay. And here is where they should be looking for group activity. Now, I'm assuming we're getting here because I don't see any reason why not. But we're failing. I think we're failing the actual scheduling of the group activity. Like I think this is failing. Let's add some debugs. Registering. So if we've gotten to here, it means looking for group activity. Correct amount. And then I can see here registered group activity. I have this we false bro. That's not showing up, so this isn't the problem. And then I have a successful registered. So that's not the problem. Well, that's, yeah. Let's just throw a bunch of numbers in there. It's kind of my favorite thing to do. If we get to here, it's 1. If we get to here, it's 2. If we get to here, it's 3. Well, let's do 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we'll see where the code stops. Testing is so annoying. Like fast forward a day, wait for them to show up, check them in. I wish there was an easier way. There definitely is. I think I could just make a button that spawns them immediately. I don't feel like doing that. Computer! What up, Jay? I know Jay's not your name. It's just the first letter of your name. How you doing? I'm trying to get these role players to function, but almost there. We're so close. Spent the morning working on character customization. Characters look nice. Did you? There's you know, Americans are lazy. We like to shorten names, so just say the first letter. Also, the internet likes its anonymity, so I'm not just gonna say your name. Why would I do that? Mike Lombardo, I'll say, because that's his username. I can't confirm that that's his real name or that he's a he. Jolly German giant. Are you tall? You can never tell with people on the internet. What is it? There's a log. Okay. There's another bug that I need to fix. This, like, debris keeps spawning in the house. It shouldn't. I'm Patricia Arquette, American actress. Ask me anything. Alright. Let's have these guys show up. Oop, Clay. Clay, you almost showed up third. You would have gotten checked in, but nope, too little too late. Clay, get out of here so everyone else can enjoy their day. So they're registering it over and over and over and over again. They're trying. They're really trying. Did Clay leave yet? Clay's gone. Looking for group activity. It's where is it failing? Okay, so I mean it's failing at looking for group activity. It's oh okay. So yeah, it's failing right here. It's not the correct amount. So get group count is, and then wait, get group count plus despawned NPCs. Get group count already accounts for despawned NPCs. Stupid. I don't need to print this. I know what the friggin' problem is. That was so stupid. A nom de plume? Alright, this bug should be squashed. I can 110% guarantee it. 110%. I'm out of coffee. What do I do? It smells like pizza. Is someone cooking pizza at 8 o'clock in the morning? Now I only have water to drink. Water's boring. Actually, I love water. Shout out to water, am I right? Mizu. I gotta add it to the summary. Boom. Okay, here they come. Gotta start the sauce early. No. See, a real New York slice, it's that like 300-ounce can of tomato sauce that they get from that really dingy looking truck. That's the good stuff. I mean, I guess you gotta get up early to get it delivered to you, right? Alright, Clay, get the funk out of here. They told me ahead of time not to check you in because you talk too much. And you don't stay in character. So you gotta go. Fast forward time. It's still failing. No. Why? I thought I fixed it. Why didn't I just add the debug? Damn it. Group count equals 0. And then group npcs.length equals, so group.get group count, group.guest group.npcs.length. Okay, don't do that. Let's get to the bottom of this. I think I'm pretty sure despawned NPCs is not happening. NPC despawned. I'm calling it here on event NPC despawned. Let's see if this is actually happening. If e.npc equals null. Good question. Does it equal null when they get despawned? Is it disappearing? No, that's the scriptable object, right? NPC, yeah, the scriptable object should not be null. It does not get despawned. Let's just say NPC event despawned, and then I'll just say NPC e.npc name, and then if group schedule collections equals null, I bow out, and if not, I despawn this NPC. Oh, I found the bug. So get group count is minus despawned NPCs, and then here I'm looking for the full length, and they're in the length. So this is going to be 3, and this is going to be 4. So before I had this as like plus group.despawned NPCs. So it's basically the spawned NPCs minus the despawned NPCs plus the spawned NPCs should equal the full length of the group. Which is really lame. It's so lame. cuddle me freaking ugly. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me right now? What are you doing here, man? What are you doing here? You got me excited. What up? How are you? We're trying to fix bugs right here in code. It's not working out. Thank you for the follow. And thanks for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. Alright, let's see. NPC event. Alright, now I'm going to get a lot of debug errors, or a lot of print statements. Let's see how it goes. Let's fast forward time. I'm lost. Is there where I can buy jars of urine? What are you talking about? Gunzy, I'm Red Hoodie. How is you? I'm Red Hoodie. You guys missed it. I made myself in the game. Let's see if I can hit randomized character enough to get me. It's close. No, it's not gonna happen. I'll stick with her. She's cool. Let's see. Everyone has hair so far. Can't be that random. Well, I don't. So the likelihood of baldness is very low. It's like 1 in 30. I should be the default character. It's a little egotistical. Woke Disney character. Can I ban that word? How come the auto mod doesn't pick up woke? Get out of here with that word. Oh god, what is happening? Alright, here they come. I don't know why the weather's changing, because I'm hitting the hockey. Let's get everyone a room. Thank you for allowing me to hydrate. Let's check everyone in. Clay, get the funk out of here, Clay. Get out of here. So group count equals 3. Which is interesting. Because group count should equal 4. I think I know what's happening now. Despawned NPCs is kind of being counted twice. So Clay's gone. Group count equals 3. NPC length equals 4. And I don't know why. Let's find out. Let's find out. Okay. What is group count? I'm just getting the count minus despawn NPCs. Why did that already equal 3 when everyone was present? Let's let me view that class. Schedule manager. And also when he left it didn't equal 2. I was really expecting it to equal 2. Also 3 plus 1 equals 4. Like what? So despawn NPCs is not getting called. Somehow the length of the group size is not. Oh fug. I know what's happening. I know what's happening. Schedule system. The group. Despawned NPCs equals 0. It's not getting called. Because. No. Wait. What? Oh god. Guys, chill. I'm gonna drown. Actually, I'm gonna run out of water soon. If I run out of water, that's it. I'm not going to get more. There's a cap on that. Should I just make it more expensive? All right. So, from what I'm getting is this is nonsense. I have a dictionary of NPCs. I'm getting the count from the dictionary. When they're not checked in, they do not get added to the dictionary. When they are not in the dictionary, they do not get incremented in despawned NPCs. Herein lies the probleme. They don't get checked in, they don't get added to the dictionary. I don't need this despawned NPCs thing anymore. Yes, I do. I do need to figure out a way when they haven't been checked in. So actually, it's almost like I need to put them in the group and then check if... Okay. It's like a 3-step process, and I'm only doing 2 steps. There's like a middle step that I'm missing. I need to know if they have been spawned but are not checked in yet. That's the problem, because I'm only putting them in the group. Oh, duh. Okay, I'll just put them in the group when they get despawned, so then the length is correct and the despawn amount is correct. Done. So I don't even care if they've... So if it contains it, add to despawn. If it doesn't contain it, then NPCs, add the key. I'll just add null because I don't care. Oops. Equals null. I'll never need that despawned NPC. It's actually gone, so that thing gets destroyed. And then... Yeah, it happens either way, so if it doesn't contain it, add it. And so now what I need to do is, do I do any iteration of this dictionary? If I iterate over this dictionary, I just need to make sure I'm not like trying to grab the guests stuff. I don't think I iterate over it. I think I just kind of have it just in case. All right, I think it's solved. I think that bug is squished, squishity squish. Oh, I've got so many print statements. I hate so many print statements. He did 3 gulps. I counted. Okay, fine. Also, Mike, I don't have to check my posture if you don't pay up. You gotta pay for me to check my posture. Otherwise, I'm gonna sit like a friggin' pretzel. I'm gonna sit like this. Unless you pay. I got 15,000 Dosh. I'm saving up for a car. I need ideas for channel point rewards. Like, what do you want to spend? What do you want to buy? What do you want to make me do? Do you want to puppet me? Like, I'm just a little puppet and you're my master? Puppet master? It's basically what it is. It's such a strange concept, like, make me do stuff. Alright. This is gonna work. I feel so good about this. It only took 30 freaking minutes. Squash this one bug. Clay? Get out of here. Leave. What are we gonna do when it works? Group count equals 3. Clay, you gone? No, still not working. Clay's gone. Oh, I'm getting an error. That's good. That's something new. Can register specific activity. So I do iterate over the NPCs. Okay. I iterate over them in... It's because I'm trying... So I think I'm trying to. Yeah. It's the correct amount. Register them. We made it to 1. But because we're iterating over that dictionary, we're hitting null. If pair.value equals null, continue. I do it twice. If pair.value equals null, continue. Can you guys stop fighting? You guys are always fighting. I love how you come here and you fight. It's great to moderate your your yelling. All right. Okay. Now is the bug fixed? Do I iterate anywhere else? No, just these 2 places. How about just .npcs? No, okay. This is the only 2 places I iterate these dang loops. Let's try one more time. 5K, change your engine. It's too cheap. I did, because I got publicly shamed by Practical NPC. But he, you know, it's valid. He's because when I raided him once, he popped open a thing that like was showing my stream, and he said I flashbanged him with my white notepad, or Visual Studio theme. Which, whatever, fine. I flashbanged you, and I've been flashbanging you guys. Did anyone actually get bothered by that? I'm curious. I like the white. I find that the dark theme hurts my eyes more than the light theme. Or maybe it doesn't hurt my eyes more, but it's harder to see because I'm old. 20K political hot take. 15K no more scripting on camera. Get the fuck out of here. It's all about the font for me. You like my font? Do you want me to make it bigger? So you guys just upset because you can't see it? Do you want me to make it bigger for you? What do you got? Comic Sans? Web dings? Imagine coding with web dings. That would be amazing. Jokerman font. I wish I can play Tim and Eric clips. I think I'd get caught for copyright infringement. I was thinking about adding a feature in the game where you can talk to the animals eventually. Like that's the mystical thing in the game. And one day the dog just like says something, and you're like, "What? Did I just hear you right?" And then there's like a whole thing, where the animals help you out. You guys like that idea? You eat magic mushrooms and you see and do crazy things. I don't want this to be like a hallucination thing. I want it to be like part of you. It's like what you get. Sounds very Animal Farm, super political. Animal Farm. Oh my god, do you guys hear the dog snoring? I'm gonna try and move the microphone. Did you hear that? Alright, wait, did it work? I don't know what I just did. Oh no, did I miss everything? It's still not working. Oh, now guest. Oh, wait, it worked. I only checked in one person. And they are now in a bathtub by themselves, so something happened. Correct amount registered 1, 2, 3. Success. But they didn't go do it. Why didn't they go do it? Is there wear and tear in the game? Not yet. I think I do want to add some wear and tear, because there's something satisfying about like seeing the beds unmade and just going around and making them. Like, so I feel like it actually might be a good feature to have to run around, clean, fix, just tidy up, you know? And it should be quick, you know? Just, like long, arduous, like animations, just like quick, like boom, 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 done, clean. And then I have an NPC that comes and does those tasks for you if you don't want to do them. Wait, what? You guys are confusing me. Let me scroll up for a sec. I didn't say copy them, Andy. I just gave an example, that's all. No, I know. I was just responding with how I would implement it. You're all good. I'm not judging you. How very woke of Andrew. I don't remember the thing I said. Did I say something woke? Okay. Dog snoring. I'm confident that wasn't a dog snoring. That was just Andy farting. No, it's definitely dog snoring. She's still snoring. Can guess break stuff. Yep. That long. I'd be impressed. I don't know. Wait, that long what? Did I talk about something? Taking a long time? Cascadia Mono for fun? Ah, you're fun. I don't know Cascadia Mono. In Animal Crossing, if you leave things unattended too long, you get roaches, and you have to search and stomp 3 roaches in your home. Yeah, I don't want bugs. Is there come to my house and make my bed? Oh my god, LOL. No, there's just some kid in town that needs a job, and you hire them. Had to figure how to look up your font. We should all change to Jokerman font. Okay, so while I got distracted by the dog snoring, we got a new bug. So it registered the group activity, but it immediately completed it and moved on to other things. And I don't know why. So let's figure that out. This bug is going to take all stream. How annoying. Alright, here they come. Come on. You get a room. You get a room. You get a room. Clear. Okay, so they're all trying really hard. Group count equals 3. Clay, leave. Once Clay despawns, group count should equal 4. You can watch Clay despawn here. 3, 2, boom, done. Everyone's successfully registered the group activity. There they go. They're doing it. Wait, but they're going to the bathtub. Why are they going to the bathtub? So that's strange. That means that somehow the group activity was marked as complete. And let's see. I can check that. Oh, actually, I can check it right here. Offered? No. Can I add that there? Let's add that there. Guest group system. Success? Wait, where's the completed Oh, that's in the schedule system. So I can go to the schedule system. So it's being marked as complete. Now, why would it be marked as complete when nobody's actually completed it yet? Good question. Let's see. I think I know why. Because here I have looking for group activity, guest group success day. So this happens when the group looking for group activity state has completed. The problem with that is that just because the activity complete function was called doesn't mean we did the activity. We just like finished that process. And let me see, where is completed checked? Schedule system completed equals true. So I basically do it here, registered successfully. I register them successfully here. And I see, okay, I see what's happening. This whole system relies on the fact that they're sitting there waiting. And I registered successfully the moment the first guest is like assigned to it. So last assigned activity type. Last assigned activity type, I need to... All right. Hold on, we're gonna get there. So I basically check guest group activities. So I set it to equal to null. But where do I set it equal to the thing? Set last activity, okay? Set last activity. Where do I do that? When I register them. And when I register them, I do that in the group, guest group register. So I do it immediately. So this is no good. This is no good. Bad system. Bad system. If new activity is greater than old activity, oh, that is terrible. Set last activity. So I don't want to set the last activity when I register the guest. I want to set the last activity when something gets completed. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to listen for an activity completed, and that's when I'll change last activity. Okay. So how do I do that? Guests, activity complete. So here is where pretty sure I have an event that's like, hey, this guest completed this activity. And I'm pretty sure I do it. Activity event, yep. So E dot, so I track the activity and the event type. And I see if it's started and I see if it's completed. But I don't know who's doing it. That's weird. Removed, started. What other types do I have? Activity. Type dot. Removed, privatized, complete. I mean, I have a completed one. Should I just listen for this? And if anyone did this activity, it's complete. Who dev? Why do you keep saying who dev? What are you talking about? Am I saying dev? Are you being clever? Okay. Is there a better way? So so what I can do, option number 1, I listen for activity event completed, see if that event is completed. Maybe the guests are still assigned to that activity. I can iterate through the activity. If the group guests are assigned to that guest, then they get marked as complete. I don't love it though. I don't love this whole system. Maybe I can come up with a better one. Schedule system. So this like set last activity. John, what up, John? Oh, you caught me right in the middle of a horrible one. Oh, what? You crazy. Freaking crazy, man. Thank you. How are you? I'm in the middle of a doozy of a bug. We're gonna get through it though. I'm pissing off all my viewers because they hate it when I code. Can you please explain to them that sometimes you gotta code? You can sub. You don't have to. You can. FB, you missed everything. We got hoodies, more coding. Oh, you guys are nuts. You guys are nuts. Thank you. Yeah. Actually, okay, so I'll recap a little what we did this morning. But I'm going back to this bug. You can't stop me from coding. So we got, let's pause. So we got new clothing in the game. We did this last time, but now we have colors. Different colors, different shirts. We got a crop top. We got hoodies. We got suits and jackets. It's great. I love it. All right. We got the new hair, new glasses. Oh, weird. The new glasses are not showing up here. Let's get those new glasses in there. Ooh. Don't you worry, guys. I'm going back to that bug. And you're not going to stop me. Ain't nothing going to stop me. It looks like the new glasses should already be included by default. Can I randomize glasses? I can. What up, FB? How are you doing? Alright. Can I randomize your glasses? No, I cannot. Why? Random and array. Character prop. Why? For some reason this is null. I don't know why. Why are you null? What's null? There's like 7 different things I'm referencing here. Is this null? Is this null? Glasses prop. Does she not have a glasses prop? That's probably why. No. It's because of this. This is null. Glasses props. If I go to here, and I go to here, and I go to here, and I go to here, 6. Why are there only 6? there should be 20. I think... Oh, okay. I think I know what's going on. So if I go to normal, force populate array, random classes, there they are. Yeah! Look how nice they are. It's great. Alright, we fixed it. Sometimes you gotta force populate that array. Oh, no, actually, yeah, that is the problem. I think I need to do it here. Force populate array. There we go. Okay. Now they're all there. Tools, yo. We're back to that bug. You riffraff. All right. It's 8:45. Am I going to finish this bug before... No way. This bug has been... Oh, this bug is horrible. What is even happening now? Where did it even leave off? So, I hate the whole system and how this... I have 15 minutes. I can only go until 9 because I got to start this stupid day job. Not all of us have wonderful publishers. Wink. Yeah. Let's finish this stupid bug. All right. We left off at when a group activity is completed. Only then do I want the scheduler to know that. I don't want it to do some funky thing when I first sit down. I want it to only do it when I complete it. I'm going to do the hacky thing first. Oh, wait, guest event. What is guest event? Is there a completed activity guest event? No. Okay. So what I'm going to do is... Actually, maybe guest event should have... No. These are not activity related. I'm just going to do the hacky thing for now. If more bugs show up later, that's fine. But right now... activity event. This is not how activity event should be used. I remember why I made this event, and it's basically for visual purposes, but I'm going to use it here. I don't give a shit. Activity event. All right. If e.completed, so event type dot completed, event type equals completed. Okay, so if we've completed this event, we should see if any of the guest groups, we should see if this event is any of the guest groups. So e.activity type. If we want to iterate for each schedule collection in collections guest group. What? Come on. Oh, like what? We're in. Where are you at? Where am I? Spawn guest system. I'm in the wrong script, you moron. Oh my god. I'm in the wrong script. How did I get here? Oh, that's how I got here. Because it starts with an S, and I thought it was in the scheduler. Get out of here, spawn guest system. I don't need you. I don't need you in my life right now. Causing trouble. Alright. Here's where I want you. Get in there. Bang.
banging on that keyboard. Sorry, guys. Here we go. Group schedule collections. If col dot if col dot guest group dot group activity types dot contains e dot activity type. So this says, hey, this activity was completed. That means this group is now complete. No one else will do this. Oh god, what? You guys said a lot of things. I was in a mode. I was in the zone right there. Evan is such a clay. Yeah, he is. Looking back at things I've done, I was trying to be someone. I've played my part. Kept you in the dark. Are you singing Blink 182 lyrics? Sometimes you gotta force populate the world. Finish the bug. Yes, I will finish that bug. Get out of dark notepad? No, I will not model issue. I have 10 minutes left, and I'm notepadding. First of all, this is Visual Studio, so sure, I'll get out a notepad. So collection dot last assigned activity type equals no. What's the proper thing to do here? Set last activity. Set last activity. Col dot. And it is e dot activity type. Okay. So now the last set activity is the one we've completed, which also means everyone should now run to roleplay, and it will not get completed because everyone's trying over and over again. That was the problem. Everyone was trying every second, and the second, and instantly, once someone tried after everyone was already assigned, it completed it automatically. No bueno. Horrible coding. But hopefully that's fixed. And let's try it. And we have 9 minutes, so I'm 130% sure that this bug is fixed. 100%. And then that's probably all the time. I'll find someone to raid. Fucking hell. That was a doozy. I didn't get to do any of the fun stuff, like add it to the summary, or give you more profit, update the GUI, all that fun stuff you guys love watching. Like GUI. GUI updates. Who doesn't love a good GUI? Alright, let's wait for them to show up. These classes are ridiculous. Should we be nice to Clay? Should we let Clay in, or should we let someone else leave? Clay showed up first. I have Clay selected, but I'm talking to Meadow. Poor Clay. Poor fucking Clay. Clay, you're out of here. Even though you showed up first, and I have you selected. It's because my distance was too close to Meadow. Alright. Clay, leave. I need to see if this bug is fixed. Get out. Alright, Clay is despawned in 3, 2, 1, gone. Damn it! It didn't work. They're all going to the bathtub. Alright. 7 minutes? You think I can fix it in 7 minutes? Nah. Oh, why did I stop it? I needed to look at the inspector. Fuck, it's gonna take like 7 minutes just to recreate that scenario. So that's not the problem here. Let's just add some more debugs. Debug everything. We completed this activity. E.dot activity activity type. So registered successfully. If last activity equals guest group. Okay. Oh, wait. Registered successfully. Well, when do you get called? Register. Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. I'm setting complete immediately. Because I'm doing it on registered. So I don't want to do it on registered. I just want to do it here. Set last activity. I don't even need this anymore. I'll leave it. I don't know, just in case. If I want to do something. So only when I set the last activity do I check if it's completed. I think it's fixed. Oh my god, 5 minutes. We did it. 147% complete. Confidence. The confidence is through the roof. Come on. Come on, Unity. You got this. You got this. Always within the last seconds of this damn stream. Does something happen? Something get fixed? I'd say 8 times out of 10. Which is also 2 times out of 5? 80% of the time I actually finish. I'm already getting an error. What the fuck? This is in the character customization. I don't care about that. It might be causing issues, but we're gonna ignore. Yeah, why the hell are you causing problems? This is bothering me. Ay. Just show up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get in their damn room. Get in your room. Get in your room. Go to your room. Good afternoon. You want a yoga mat? Get out of here. Meadow, get in your room. Clay, get the fuck out of here, Clay. Oh my god. Leave. Group count equals 3. 3, 2, 1. Clay's gone. Yes. They're all playing Dungeons and Dragons now. They did it. Let them play archery? No. You will sit and you will roleplay. Because that's what you were designed to do. Let's just make sure the rest of the day plays out as planned. Because we did change a lot. They should immediately go take a bath. Get up and go take a bath. Okay, they roleplay for way too long. Oh god, they're going to roleplay to midnight. No, the day ends at midnight. Ah, they're going to bed. Okay, that's normal. They should go to bed. Going to bed overrides taking a bath. But one of them is still roleplaying past midnight. I think bedtime should boot them out of whatever they're doing. So it's 6 a.m. Okay, so waking up boots them out. They're all going to bed. Okay. So they're in bed. They should wake up and they should do it again. Okay. They're taking a bath because they completed the activity on the next day. So that's a bug. But I need to figure out, I basically need to make them go to bed no matter what they're doing. They should never like be doing the same activity through midnight through the next day. That's what completed it. All right, so let's just fast forward to the end of this day. They'll leave, we'll do checkout, get a nice roundup page, and then we're out of here. Let's find someone raid. Who is on right now? Where should we go? I could do this guy. This guy had a fun stream. He's got a lot of bells and whistles going on. He's got fun pixel art. Let's do it. Alright, let's get to that roundup. Let's just make sure everything... It should be a 100% success because they all took a bath and they all did some dungeons. Wait, it didn't... Did the roundup page happen? Did I miss it? Ah, fug. It didn't work out. Alright, new bug. We'll fix it. I'll see you all Thursday. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for all the subs. You guys subbed me. At 9 a.m. Gotta go to work yet. I'll see you all next time. Peace.